Medrial Galen serves as an autarch of Craftworld Samehan. Her deeds largely hidden from prying eyes, perhaps to prevent her hot-headed temperament from being exploited by her enemies. Though many a war chief of the Eldar ignored the plights of desperate allies, this forthright autarch has never shirked her duty to aid her kin. Her notoriety as a brash warrior cemented with the campaign fought against the Iron Warriors warband, the Forgeborn, led by Warpsmith Devok. Regardless of the risk that the Chaos Space Marines hoped to draw Samhain into a trap, Galen would not stand idle. Avenging the slain Exodites who had once laid claim to the world of Dayeth, the so-called Bloodied Fang, alongside her Zephyrborn hunt kinsman, faced the Unmaker and his Black Legion thralls. Her efforts to wrestle the Noctilith crowns from the hands of the heretic Astartes to prevent their siphoning of the Maiden World Spirit, the greatest trial the Autarch has thus faced. None know if this bold warrior has succeeded in her venture, or if she, alike to many more before her, has perished in her righteous duty.